My name is Idris. I will present about smart shower coding. First of all, the coding include Arduino hash for Arduino, new pin for ultrasonic sensor, input crystal to C for LCD, include wire for additional library. Define trigger and echo for ultrasonic sensor, and new pin HCSR04 for the port sensor, and this for LCD. First, we use long time zero for integer constant. Initial response length, width, depth is used for water level sensor. Initial port and port valve for potentiometer. Initial IN3, IN4, IN2 for stepper motor. Float time 0 and distance is used for ultrasonic sensor because it must measure the distance of body and time for it to respond. We use pin mode trigger as output, pin mode echo as input, E3, IN3, IN4, IN2 as output. This is basic LCD code. It will be bring smart shower and getting start, and it will blinking 2 times and then bring water speed. Okay, next for void load, we use float volume and X initial value for the sensor, and depth we can get from analog read from the sensor. It can read the depth of water. The depth is equal to depth times S, and volume of the tank will be equal to near depth times length times width of water, and the LCD will be bring the safe volume in the tank. We proceed the potentiometer that connect with. We proceed to potentiometer that control motor speed. So the code will show the speed percentage. Okay, next will be enter the ultrasonic sensor code that synergy with stepper motor. This measure distance is linking with what measure distance below that trigger ultrasonic sensor and motor. So if distance below 12, ultrasonic sensor will be activated. Then it will send data to stepper motor. So the command should be digital right, IN3 high, IN4 low to make sure motor rotate in one direction. Analog right, EN2 speed PLM link with potentiometer command above, as all the output will be low and off. For the ultrasonic sensor, this is the standard code to make the sensor active correctly.
My name is Natasha Shahira binti Rajali. Today I want to discuss about the purchase. First of all, we use LCD as output, and for displaying the system LCD connect to I2C PCF 8574 to I2C SCL and SDA. Connect to pin A4 and A3 for data transfer. Other pin is to VCC. Then we put the motor and stepper motor. Motor is used as output, in this case as water pump. The functionality of stepper motor is transfer data from Arduino to motor. So we can operate the motor according what we want. In this case, we control the motor speed. Next, HCRS04 ultrasonic we can use its input. When it will trigger the stepper motor and active the motor. For water level sensor, the circuit design use inductance and capacitance to complete. However, in real life, no need inductor and capacitor. It connect to A14 input. Potentiometer for water level sensor is used as water is produced, so the sensor can detect the volume of the water. Lastly, the potentiometer that connect to A3 is used as input for controlling the speed motor for motor. Okay, now we test the simulation. LCD will display the smart shower, then the water speed or motor speed with water safe. Then we set up the ultrasonic. We can see that with the HRC above 12 and the motor didn't move, but below 12 the motor are moving. Next, we adjust the potentiometer at the middle circuit to see the speed movement of the motor. And for testing water level sensor, we adjust the potentiometer that connect with the circuit. We can see the changing of data at the LCD.
Okay, my name is Marshall Zumbi. Let's continue how we automatic smart shower. When we turn on plug, the LCD show about the smart shower and getting start. Then it will show detail of the water speed and water safe. In initial condition, we set a motor speed to 99% and we can see the volume of the water of the tank. Okay, now we will start to test it. When we put out hand of ultrasonic sensor, the sensor will detect the body, then motor active and pump out of the water. Now we can see the changing of the water value in the tank. Next, we try to control the speed of water. We adjust the potentiometer and we can see the speed of water changing from fast to slow or slow to fast. Value safe also changing. Okay, let me show the circuit in a box. This is a water level sensor. Okay, this is a water tube connect to the DC pump. Then it is connect to stepper motor, and stepper motor connect to Arduino. Okay, ultrasonic, LCD and potentiometer directly connect to Arduino.